Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius 8 sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages for the week Aquarius. The Tower, Eight of Pentacles, Justice. Yeah, after the Tower moment, one person realized the worth of the other person in this connection and they want to work on this relationship now. In past they couldn't, that's why they want to work on this relationship now and they want the second chance with the other person. It could be you or your person. Definitely some Tower moment is happened between both of you. So let's see some more messages. Aquarius, Two of Cups. Yeah, you both love each other. Ace of Pentacles, Two of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection maybe at some crossroads in past they don't make any decision, that's why this Tower moment is happened, but they now realize their person what they want to offer this Ace of Pentacles commitment because they love the other person. It could be you or your person. Okay, the Emperor, Temperance, the Lovers. Yes, love is there, still love is there if you are in separation or less contact or no contact. Definitely one person in this connection is very committed and loyal, Emperor, but patience and balance is needed in this connection because there is no balance between both of you. One person is giving more but another person not giving as much as the other person. There is no equal give and take in this connection. The Six of Wands, Judgment, Five of Wands. Yeah, one person is fighting for the other person for their attention. Judgment, definitely one person want reconciliation if they're in separation. Six of Wands, they want success with the other person. Definitely after the King of Pentacles, definitely one person wants stability to offer. One person want to offer stability to the other person. So Aquarius, let's see your person energy little bit, what they are up to right now. Yeah, we are the World, 10 of Pentacles. Yes, your person want to offer stability to this connection. Projection, Seven of Cups. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. All readings, mostly almost all readings got this card, Queen of Cups. Emotions, postponement, Four of Swords. Okay, 2 points. Conditioning, the Devil. Queen of Pentacles, sharing. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. I think your person thinking about you a lot. Postponement means Four of Swords. They are thinking but not taking any action because there is some obsession between both of you. Conditioning means Devil. Projections, I think your person fantasizing about you a lot or they are in some confusion state because Two of Swords, definitely your person not deciding what to do, what not to do because they are in some confusion state. Two of Swords means at some crossroads, but they want to share. I think Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their love and everything with you because Queen of Pentacles is sharing. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you, receptivity, Queen of Cups, and yes, they want to offer stability to this connection. So your person want reconciliation with you and patience and balance is needed in this connection. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag, particularly Sagittarius, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So definitely there are some issues going between both of you. Five of Wands with conditioning, Devil. One person is very dominative in this connection. One person giving more. There is no equal give and take. So Aquarius, your person now want to offer stability to this connection. After the Tower moment, they want to work on this relationship. I think the one person who put lot of effort is you. So now it's your turn to accept their offer or not. So because here two of Cups and the Lovers, definitely love is there. So it's up to you to offer your person offer or not. Now they want to share their life with you. They want to share their love with you because the Queen of Pentacles here. But it will take some time because right now postponement, they're thinking about the things a lot but not taking any action. In near future they will take action. So this is the reading for your Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.